This is the simplest formula. You need money to make money, or you need time to make money. So choose the one that works for you. For me today, I'm going to talk about how you can use your time to make money, and it is the simplest thing possible, but not so many people want to invest in it. If you don't have money, then you have time. You can be able to use your time to make money. There are two ways in which you can be able to make money. The first one is using money to make money. The second one is using time to make money. So let me break it down to you. When you use money to make money is when you actually use your money to buy a product so that you can be able to sell, or invest in people who can actually build a business for you, so that you're using your money to actually make more money. The second one is using your time to make money, and this one is the most rewarding, but so many people do not want to do this because not so many people have the patience to invest their time in actually doing something productive that will actually bring in the money. People want to spend a lot of time in entertainment and things that will actually not benefit them financially. Instead, it is actually draining them and draining their finances. How exactly do you use time to make money? When you have time, use that time to make money by investing in yourself. When you talk about investing in yourself, it is as simple as investing in a skill set, learning a skill set. So if you're a stay-at-home mom, you can invest 2 to 3 hours of your day. If you are a working person, you can invest your 2 hours in the evening or 2 hours in the morning before you go to work to invest in learning a skill set, because we all know that working 9 to 5 alone is not guaranteed to make you the money you need to save yourself. How then do you determine a skill that will actually work for you and build you up? It is in simple form. So when it comes to choosing a skill set that can actually work for you, then you can actually choose in 3 ways. The first one is the skill sets you already have. So if you are good in taking videos, you can implement it by actually learning video editing. You can actually implement it in videography and all these other things. The interests or the hobbies you have. What are the things you like to do? Do you like to make hair? Do you like to make people look beautiful? Maybe you should invest in acquiring makeup skills or hairstyling skills. The third one is your career. The career that you are in, is it something you love? Are you willing to grow and invest in it more? So by actually adding and upscaling more, because if this is something you see yourself doing in the next 10, 20 to 30 years, go and actually acquire more skills and upscale so that you can be able to not just have one skill set that will actually bring you the amount you have now, but it will give you an opportunity to grow to a greater place that you want to be. So when you have already determined these 3 things, then you can actually go ahead and choose a skill sets for you. And if you're wondering what skills can I actually learn and what skills are on high demand and they are marketable, I'll leave a link down here below that will guide you on, that will direct you to a free ebook where you can be able to get the high paying skills for 2024. And also there's a video, I'll leave a link to the description where you can go and check that video out. This time when you are learning these skills, I want you to start building a personal brand on the online space. And a personal brand is simply just speaking about whatever it is that you are learning. If it's the social media marketing skills, if it's on digital, if it's cooking, I want you to showcase whatever you are learning on the online space, because that is the way to go, because everybody is on the online space and online space is your CV. So you need to take advantage of this. So when you have already determined the skill set you want to do, I want you to invest 2 to 3 hours of your day. Start learning this skill, start acquiring this skill, start implementing and putting yourself in learning these skill sets, because it will actually help you in the long run. Because this is not something that you just learn in 1 month or in 2 weeks and then expect to see the results. It's actually something that you're going to invest time in it, and that's why I said you need the time to invest in it. After you have acquired these skills, I want you to start packaging yourself. I want you to package these skills as a service. So I want you to be able to offer these skills that you have acquired. If it's on digital marketing, web designing, graphic designing, email marketing, I want you to take whatever skills you have acquired and package them as a service. And a great place where you can be able to do this, and it's very simple, anyone can navigate through, is on Canva. Go and look for service packages templates so you can be able to implement, package them, and now start speaking about them to people. Start interacting with people and telling them that this is what you do, these are the services you offer, these are the works you have been able to acquire in this period of time. And now you can be able to offer as a freelancer by reaching out to people and telling them, this is what I do, this is what I have been able to acquire in this period of time. If you can give me a chance, I work with you. Or you can be able to opt for the remote work, where you can be able to work remotely with companies that will hire you from other countries to work with them on a particular period of time. One way in which you can be able to start making money with the skill sets you have acquired is by offering coaching services, offering a one-on-one coaching services. You have acquired skills to do with cooking, you have acquired skills to do with styling. You can offer a one-on-one coach with someone maybe who doesn't know how to cook well. They don't know how to style themselves in the right way that they need to showcase out there. Start offering these services at, I don't know how much, 1,500, 15,000, whatever that you feel it's worth for you. Start offering this as a service. Start reaching out to people, and as I said, personal branding will actually speak out for you. So if you have been building a personal brand in this period of time where you have been learning the skill set, it will be a plus for you. So start reaching out to people, offering them a one-on-one coach, telling them what you do and the things you can be able to do and the transformation that you have actually helped your clients reach out to. One way in which you can make money with the skill set and with your time is by creating digital products. Start by writing things to do with ebooks. Start by writing templates, create templates and start selling them. And the good thing about digital product is you don't need to be creating it each and every time. Not like coaching where you're supposed to be there physically. It will take you like 2 to 3 days to create this digital product, and then you can now be able to get the money on a passive income. This is a great way in which people actually make money here on the online space. Another great way in which you can actually start making money with your time is by creating content. People out here are being paid to create content. Let me tell you, the amount of money that is on the online space, it is literally mind-blowing, because people are actually being paid out here by brands, by Google AdSense. So where exactly can you tap into? You need to figure out, are you a long-term do you like to create long-form videos, or do you just like creating short form videos? Figure out exactly which one works for you and which one you're comfortable with, then start creating. Like people on YouTube know that they can be able to get their AdSense, they can be able to be reached out by brands. So this is another way that people make money with YouTube. You can, for those who are in short form, they also know that they can be able to get money by brands reaching out to them, or by just doing affiliate marketing, and then when people buy products using their links, they actually get a commission from that. So figure out exactly how you can package your content, how you can align with your content. If you want to do blogging, if you want to do vlogging, do whatever you are comfortable with, and then now start monetizing with that content that you're actually putting out there, because people are hungry for the knowledge you have. It doesn't matter how small of a skill set you think you have, people are hungry for that knowledge. If you can just package it well, if you can bring in your source, you can bring in your energy, your vibe, people will buy from you, people will listen to you, people will read your blogs, people will buy from the affiliate links that you offer them. So present whatever you have, the skill set you have acquired, and then wait to start being paid with your content creation. I feel like this is one of the best way, because if whatever you are doing, it's something you love, it's something like you like to do. Like for me, I like to help people to just teach people how they can be able to learn new skills, how they can be able to start businesses, and tips that, and these are things that I have just learned here on my own, and I feel like I should share with people. And this way, in return, you get paid through affiliate links. For now, I'm getting paid through affiliate links, but also with time, Google AdSense will be able to pay me. I'll be able to get brands. So this is a great way that you can actually leverage on if you have the skill sets and you have the energy to teach people and speak on the camera. You don't have an excuse to say that I don't have money, so I cannot do this. You have the time. Take that time, start investing. Stop using your time in things that really do not bring in the impact, things that will not be able to help you come out of the situation you're in. Put that time in learning a skill. Put that time in investing in something worth. You can go, if you're not comfortable learning on your own, go out there and reach out to. There's no way you can say that I don't know I can learn. That is not an excuse. Online space is one of the greatest places you can be able to start learning your courses, your digital marketing courses, email marketing, whatever courses. I'll leave a link to Alison. It's an app where you can be able to learn free online courses, literally for free. You don't need to pay anything. You just need to put yourself and commit yourself there, learn those skills, invest in those skills. Another place can be on Google Garage. These are great places where people are learning these skill sets. The amount of money you'll be paid just to become a digital marketer will actually be a lot, but you need to invest that time in learning that skills, because if you don't do that, there ain't no way you are getting that money. Because one thing about money is that people exchange money for value. So what value are you bringing to the table? That is a question I want to leave you with. Thank you again for reaching this far. If you've been able to reach this far of the video, thank you very much. My name is Miss Julie K.E. I'm a mom, a content creator, a virtual assistant, and a women empowerment coach. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified every single time I release a new video. Once again, ciao ciao. See you on my next video.